Now push the button. Ainsley. Jacqueline, you gotta do this. Addie, go ahead. Wait a minute. That's alright, Addie. They gotta run. You gotta race. Ainsley. Ainsley. Come on, Dak. Brady, get your foot off there, please. Let her do it. Ainsley's having fun going up and down. Jacqueline's doing it. Jump, Jack. You gotta jump. Ainsley, ball. There you go, Dak. Go, Declan. Push it up and down. Jump, Dak. Declan, moving back and forth. You gotta run like Addison. Move up and down. Jump up and down.